We are having a little walk in the New Forest. First time we've actually been up into the forest. Hello! 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 Look at her bonnet, look at it, it's all over the shop. Oh, look at my hair! Yeah, before we get the dogs out, it's been a bit rainy this morning. It's starting to dry up a little bit. The last few days actually the weather's been pretty bad, but hopefully we'll come to the end of that. We leave here on Sunday morning to head off to Brighton. We're there for about 5 or 6 days, so hopefully whilst we're there we'll be able to catch up with Tracy's niece, Kaylee. Hope she's had the baby by then. Yep, so we'll be leaving Sunday.
And yours.
Oh, and my niece, yeah. Hopefully we'll have a dry day tomorrow, so I can get the awning and that down and get that packed away, so we can get it packed away before it gets too wet. Later on, what I intend to do is do a vlog in regards of how Tracy and I got into motorhoming and a little bit about the motorhome that we own. A few people have asked me if I could just do a little bit of our motorhome, a little tour around it, let you know what's something that we were looking for on our motorhome. I said this is our second one. The first one we had for about a year, and we used that pretty much every weekend, babe, didn't we? We're away from that all the time, but more than we are in this one, in fact. But for that year, we sort of looked at what we did like about it and what we didn't like about it. We made sure when we swapped it over, this new one ticked most of the boxes. I say new, we've had it for 4 years, coming up 5 years in October, due to service and MOT. So I'll probably do that once we get back a little bit later on. Right, we'll catch up with you later. Just give you a little show around here. Got the wild horses and that here. Ponies, horses, ponies. Tomato, whatever. Okay, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Quite dry underfoot in actually, I thought it'd be a bit wetter than this. But it's quite nice. Whoa, whoa, where are we going? Get me off this roundabout. All right over, son. What's he doing, Sam? What's he doing? Stay there. Got your ring. Excuse me. Go on, get rid of that energy.
Yeah.
He's looking away through that hedge. Come on, you.
You can go right round, son.
Go on in, Bailey. Go on in. Off you go. Good boy. Go on. Go on, boys. Go. Go on in. Good boys. Go on in, Sam. Lovely little walking area this for the boys. Basically just does a loop. But what I have found here, you know, sometimes when you've got the dogs and it's wet, it'll get filthy, but it's really well drained here. Even in the worst weather I've took them out here, they've come back and the pool's been wet, but there's been no mud or anything like that. No, it's really well done. The other thing I mentioned earlier on in one of my other vlogs was the transport links here were quite poor. We just noticed today they've actually put an insert into the bus stop there saying that there is a service, but it will only run from the 7th of July to the 8th of September. So clearly they do have a bus service, but it only runs during those summer months when the kids are on holiday. So if you're coming at now, we are now in June, don't expect any sort of public transport. That's why we hired the car for 4 or 5 days, just so we had a way of getting around. But I said it wasn't expensive, it was about £114 for 4 days from Enterprise. And they'll come and pick you up at the site. And when you take it back, clearly they'll bring you back as well.